Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you intended on buying airtime and then you bought more than expected? And then probably you just wanted to buy airtime of 500 naira and then you just tap that extra zero and then boom! So in this video, I'll be listing a couple of apps which I have used personally because I have been a victim.
You don't know why it's going on.
So yes, so just in case someone sends you airtime, just way too much airtime, and you know you need some cash, yeah, these apps will help you to convert your airtime into cash and save you from.
I see, so that I run number also. I take pen I from I got the head issues.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in this video, we'll be talking about a few apps which can help convert your airtime into money. What you should know is most of these apps actually take a certain percentage of the money that is being converted, you know, just like an exchange rate and stuff. So the first app on the list is Aim to Get. So all you have to do is to download the Aim to Get app. This app is available on Play Store and iOS. Once downloaded, sign up with your details and you're in. Inside the app, you then choose from which service provider you want to exchange your airtime for cash. Note, the percentage taken from your airtime will vary depending on the service provider. 9 Mobile takes the highest percentage of about 20 to 30%. Also, if you don't find your service provider, you can try the next app on the list. And so the second app also is Patricia. I haven't really gotten to use that with time, but I have a couple of people who have claimed to use this and successfully gotten their money in place of the airtime. Number 3 and final on the list is Glover. This is another app which you can use to convert your airtime to cash, and you can also buy and sell gift cards. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.